The San Antonio Stock Show and Rodeo is in full swing, and I know many of you are enjoying all of the events taking place. Today is also Rodeo Day across North East ISD. Every year, the Rodeo is a milestone event for our Agriscience Magnet Program students. Many Madison High School students in the AMP program show animals they've been caring for and raising for months, from steers to goats, lambs, rabbits, and chickens. The hands-on learning experience of showing their animals will pay off for our students in many ways. While they're learning skills in showmanship, communication, and time management, they're also investing in their future. To date, the San Antonio Livestock Exposition has awarded more than $1 million in scholarships to James Madison FFA students. Next week is National FFA Week. The James Madison Future Farmers of America Group is one of the largest and most renowned FFAs in the state. Just last year, Madison students earned national titles in agricultural communications and nursery and landscape at the National FFA contest in Indianapolis. FFA isn't just for future farmers. This group is growing future biologists, business owners, engineers, and veterinarians. Parents often share with me that they value any opportunity their child has to graduate with industry-level certifications. AMP students receive hands-on training in our barns, meat processing lab, and classrooms. They can also graduate with certifications in agricultural mechanics, floriculture, veterinary technology, and more. Visit the link on your screen to discover more about the agri-science opportunities at any ISD. If you would like to view any of my previous parent messages, you can do so at the link below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around the district.